Hey guys, in this video we shall solve another simple problem, running sum of 1D array. So the given problem is given an array nums, we define the running sum of an array as running sum of I equal to sum of nums of 0 to till nums of I. So I shall explain this with an example. Given example of array contains 1, 2, 3, 4 as the elements in it. And how do you find the running sum? So let's start with the very first element, 1. The running sum equal to sum of nums of I 0 to nums of I. That means from the starting index to the till that index, right? So here 1 is the starting index. So its running sum is nothing but 1 itself. Next go to the second element. In this case the running sum would be from the starting index till this second index. So 1 plus 2, that is 3. Again come to the next element. So from the 0th index to the second index, it is nothing but 1 plus 2 plus 3. That would give you 6. And at the end, the running sum for the last index would be the starting index to that index. That is nothing but sum of all the elements of the array. 4 plus 3, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So how do we solve this logically? If you want, we shall see other examples also. Here first, it's only 1 is the sum of the element of the array. So 1 is the answer. For the second element, from the starting till the second element, 1 plus 1, 2. Then again 1 plus 1 plus 1, 3. Then from the starting till the fourth element, it would be 4 as answer. Then from the starting element to the end of the array, that is 5. Similarly, if you take the last example, at first 3 will be the sum. Next 3 plus 1, that is nothing but 4. Then 3 plus 1 plus 2, that would give you 6. After that, for the fourth element, you have to start adding the elements from the beginning till that element. That is nothing but 3 plus 1 plus 2 plus 10. That will give you 16. And for the last element, it will be the sum of the entire array. Here in this case, it's 17. So what's the logic to solve this problem? If you look into this, we have to run a for loop first. So for int I equal to 0 till the end of the array, that is something like I lesser than nums dot length. Then I plus plus. You could say at each iteration we shall find the sum of the elements till from the starting index to till that index, right? So we need to declare a variable sum and initialize it to 0. And this should be out of loop actually. You will not do this for every loop. So yeah, int sum equal to 0. So let's consider this example 3, 1, 2, then 10 and 1. So at first only 3 is answer, right? So sum equal to sum plus nums of I. So that for the I equal to 0th loop, just be adding the sum plus nums of 0. That is 3. So 0 plus 3 would give you 3 as the sum. Now sum equal to 3. Once you get sum equal to 3, you have to initialize this to the nums of 0. So nums of 0 would be, that means nums of I would be equal to sum. Why do you initialize the sum to the nums of I? Because in the given program, you have to find the running sum of array. So at the end, you have to return the array of the running sum. That means you have to keep updating each index as you find the sum of the elements from the starting index till that index. That's why you initialize the nums of I equal to some value. You will get it while I iterate to next loop. So now I equal to 1. For I equal to 1, these two elements, right? Now we have sum equal to 3. So sum equal to 3 plus nums of I, that is nothing but 1 here. So 3 plus 1, that will give you sum as 4. You could see it's 4. Yeah, 4, right? So nums of I equal to 4. That is what done here. Nums of 1. The first index would become initialized to the sum value, that is nothing but 4. Next, similarly, I equal to 2. Sum value is 4 plus nums of 2, 0, 1, 2. Sorry, 0, 1, 2. That is 2. So 4 plus 2, that would be sum equal to 6. And the 6 is updated to that index, that is nums of 2. Let's see here in the output. Next, again, go to I equal to 3. Sum plus nums of I. Sum equal to 6 now. And nums of 5, nums of 3 is nothing but 0, 1, 2, 3, 10. So 10 plus 6, that would give you sum as 16. Sum would get updated to 16. And you initialize this 16 to the nums of I, that is nothing but nums of 3. This third index would be initialized to 16. Next, last iteration, I equal to 4. Now sum equal to 16. 16 plus nums of 4, that is the last element, 1. So 16 plus 1, 17. Sum would be equal to 17, and you reinitialize the 17 value to the nums of I, that is nums of 4. That is given as 17. So this is very a simple program. We shall code this now. At first, we need to initialize a variable sum that to be equal to 0. Next, just iterate the array. For int I equal to 0, I lesser than nums dot length I plus plus. So what do we do? Sum equal to sum plus nums of I. So sum equal to sum plus nums of I. So once this is done, you reinitialize the sum to the that index value, that is nothing but nums of I equal to sum. So that each time when you iterate to the loop and you find the sum of the running array, that is from the starting index till that index, you make sure that you initialize that value to that index so that the output will be the updated array of the running sum. After this, we just need to return the running sum array. Yes, it's been passed. Yeah. This is very simple problem. If you have any doubt, please put in the comment section. We'll come up with another problem in the next video. Thank you.